Hello everyone. I made this bear and at first I downloaded it from Thingiverse and I printed it at first this little one and then this big one, but in somehow I don't know, it's printed wrong. At the first I wanted to make a robotic prosthetic arm for this bear, but I think I printed this for my 4 years old nephew, and I think prosthetic arm of a bear is too much for 4 years old. So I'm gonna fix it. I wanted to fix something like this scarf. I wanted to make a bandage or something like that, and let's see how I made, or I'm gonna try made this in Blender.
And finally, I've made this bandage for this bear. I've made it, I want to show you how to I made it. First of all, I add the cylinder. And then I go to the sculpting mode and I remeshed it. And now I'm going to go to edit mode, object mode, Shift A to scale it. Now go to, so you can see the brushes is working smoothly. And I made something like this. And then grab to take something out. Maybe to object mode. Bring it here. And now I want it to add something like this. I want to bring something like this. I'm gonna add this one, something here, and I'm gonna grab something like this. Control Z. Okay. And then I'm gonna remesh it. I'm going to add a little bit here, here. I'm going to make something like this to smooth it. And I'm going to add something like this. Make something. Yeah. I'm going to add something like this to make here smooth, to make something here. I think it looks good, but I have to fix here to bring down it. You know, yeah. And then I'm going to use a boolean to delete, and I'm deleting inside. If you wanted to see that, yeah, you can see it looks something better. I'm gonna apply it. And I'm going to go to sculpting mode to fix this things. I'm gonna remesh it. And now you can see it looks like something better, but you can't put this bandage to your bear, so you have to make it a little bit bigger. As to scale, shift that I don't want to make. You know, 3D printer, we're going to fix this problem. I'm going to a little bit make this edges smoother for printing. Yeah, I'm going to make inside a little bit smoother. And now, yeah, now it looks better. And I'm going to print this thing, export it as a STL, and then print to fix my bear. That's all. Let's print and see what we can make.
And finally, this is what I've made in Blender. I made a scarf to fix this problem, and I think it looks better than just glue the leg. I added these things, and I think it looks better. If you think this is better, or you have some ideas, some different ideas, let me know in the comment below. See you at next video.